What's going on YouTube? This is Tyler again from Fare From Scratch, and today we're going to be making a spicy fried chicken sandwich. For this recipe we're going to need a boneless, skinless chicken breast, some flour, baking powder, hot sauce, some seasonings such as garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and then all the fixings you'd typically have with a fried chicken sandwich. To start out, we're just going to take our chicken breast and butterfly it in half. Then we're going to cut them into patties so they will fit your bun of choice. Whatever pieces don't meet sandwich specifications can be turned into boneless chicken tenders or wings, which I'll demonstrate later on. Next, we're going to tenderize our breasts and wings by smacking them with a meat mallet. Pound the patties until they reach your desired thinness. Next, we're going to mix a half a cup of both water and hot sauce for our marinade. If you like things a little spicier, just add more hot sauce or some red pepper flakes like I'm doing here. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to make our seasoned flour by mixing our flour and baking soda with all of our spices and mixing thoroughly. After marinating for about 30 minutes to an hour, take your chicken and repeat the process of dredging it into the flour, then back into the marinade, then back into the flour. You can repeat this process as many times as you like for a thicker, crunchier coating. After everything is breaded, we can take our deep cast iron pan or frying vessel of your choice and begin heating the canola oil. We want to heat this oil to about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we can begin frying the chicken in batches. Just flip the chicken every 3 to 4 minutes and monitor the heat to make sure nothing is burning. The smaller boneless wings are going to cook much faster than the fillets and will require much less cooking time. Once your chicken is a golden, crispy brown and registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove to a wire rack and season with salt and pepper immediately. And of course, we always need to make sure we toast our buns before plating up. Now you can really do this any way you want, but I like adding the mayo to both sides and then stacking the chicken patty, tomatoes, and the lettuce in that order. All that's left to do now is enjoy your spicy fried chicken. This sandwich is crispy, zesty, super flavorful, and it really holds a candle to all your favorite fast food versions of it. And we definitely can't forget about these boneless wings. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, have a wonderful day.